Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. How is it going? In this video, we are going to discuss here certificate authorities and public key infrastructure. So, starting with understanding the digital certificates and signatures. Digital certificates and signatures only work if we can trust the public keys being used. The trust is established through certificate authorities, public key infrastructure, that's called also known as PKI. They form the backbone of secure communication on the internet, like on protocol like HTTPS, SLS, TLS, email security. Now, what is digital certificate? I have made a dedicated video on this. Here I will give an overview. A digital certificate is essential securing communication, internet, electronic passwords, and so on. Main purpose is here binding a public key to an entity's identity, ensuring authenticity. What it is, its content includes the owner's name, public key, validity period, CA signature, serial number, algorithm information, so on. Now, certificate authorities. What are these? Certificate authorities plays a vital role in the digital security ecosystem. They are trust entities that oversee the issuance, so on. The main thing is here, trusted third parties, identity verifications. These are the main responsibilities of CA. Certificate management, certificate revocation list, CRL. What is trust third parties responsible for issuing and verifying digital certificates? Verify identity before issuing certificates. Certificate management contains database, revoke certificates when necessary. Publish lists of revoked certificates for reference. These are the main responsibilities of you. One thing I tell you, what are the types of CA? First one is root CA, intermediate CA, issuing CA. So if you want a dedicated video on these, what is root CA, intermediate CA, issuing CA, so on. They have another types in it. Please let me know in comment sections, or I have provided a link in description for a Telegram where we can chat. So now moving towards PKI, public infrastructure. PKI entire system that manages keys, certificates, trust, encryption, authentication. These are the main things which it manages: keys, certificates, trust, encryption, authentication. I hope you all know these terms. Then PKI components. What are the components? Certificate authority, registration authority, certificate database, certificate revocation system, policies and practices. Now the main concept is how PKI works in simple follow. First, certificate signing request. The client sends a CSR to CA. Then verification setup is done, that is identifying verification, the CA verifies and requesters identity. Then certificate issuance. The CAs issue a certificate. Using the certificate, the client uses this certificate for services. Then verification by others, other verify the certificate using the CA public key. In simple way, this is the workflow of the PKI, how this works. What are the types of certificates? SLS, SSL, TLS certificate for secure websites, code signing certificates for software development, email certificate for secure communication. Fourth one is client authentication certificate for user verification. So these are the main four types of certificates. The topic comes here, certificate revocation. In simple words, I will clearly repeat this. Certificates may be revoked if private key is compromised, owner information changes, certificate is misused, policies are violated. So what are the methods? Revocation methods. These are CRL, certificate revocation list. OSP Online Certificate Status Protocol. Now, moving towards next heading, root, store and trust chain. Root CA, it's an immediate CA. Then it goes to this is workflow. Trust how it first root CA, then it goes the second cycle intermediate CA, then end entity certificates. It's simple words how this chain works. I hope it is clear. Now, what are the challenges we face while using PKI? First is key management complexity. CA compromise risks, certificate misissuance, revocation delays, blind trust in CS. What are the role of CA as a digital certificate? Certificate authority CA plays a vital role in issuing digital certificate that enables secure identity-based communication, so on. Main thing is here, CA as a trusted entity is essential for issuing trusted digital certificates. Another role is PKI overview and compromise system for secure communication. And third one is certificate validity. Uses CRL OSCP for validity checks. Now, summarizing this video, as usual, CAs are trusted entities that issues digital certificate. So, first point, main point, CA are trusted entities that issue digital certificate. PKI is a complete system ensuring secure identity-based communication. Certificates follow X509 standard. CRL and OCSP are used to check certificate validity. Trust chain begins with the root CA. I hope you like this video. If you learned something new, please hit the subscribe button. See you.